Today's lesson is overriding and matching two-step inequalities. Before we do that, let's look at our reference chart right here. You have to know these key words to help you. Less than, fewer than, below is represented by this less than inequality. Less than or equal to, at most, no more than, maximum is not greater than means less than or equal to. More than, greater than, above, exceeds is represented by the greater than symbol. Is more than or equal to, at least, no less than, minimum is represented by the greater or equal to. So let's read the story now. Chris currently has $300. So he starts with how much money? $300. He spends $9 per week. What does that mean? $9 per week on school lunches. He spends $9 every week, each week. His mother wants to make sure he has at least $150 in his account. At least. That means he must have $150 at least. $150 or more. Let's see, where's at least right here? Oh, here. So it means more than or equal to. That means he must have $150 more or equal to the $150. So about how many weeks will she deposit money to maintain about? So here is our stuff. So we need to match it up now. First of all, I'm going to eliminate some choices. Well, there's no 300 here, so I know those four are out. So it's going to be one of these. So he starts with $300 he spends. When you spend money, what operation are you doing? You're taking money away. I think it's going to be this one. He starts with 300. He takes away 9 every week. 9 every week is a multiplicative relationship. 9 times the week. And then it says at least 150. At least is represented by the more than or equal to. And so this is the matching. Next one. Mrs. O'Toole plans to have her daughter's birthday party catered by Bounce House. Bounce House charges $150 for the delivery and setup of an inflatable. Then they charge an additional $9 per guest. $9 each guest or every guest for food and party favors. Mrs. O'Toole has budgeted at most $300 for the party. Then the most amount she can spend is $300. That means that's the highest she can spend. So she can spend it, but she has to spend less than that. So let me go see. It means less than or equal to is represented by this inequality. So let's go through the choices and figure out which one. First of all, it has to have a 300 in it, so it can't be this one, this one, this one, or this one. So it charges $150. So we start with $150. Oh, they all have that. Then they have to pay $9 per guest. So plus 9. Oh, they're all okay. Oh, at most. That means that the highest you can spend is $300. So it has to be less than or equal to. Let's make sure. At most is represented by the less than or equal to. And that is why it is this one. All right. So this is just more practicing your reading comprehensions to match the inequality.